Today I'm gonna be trolling little kids in PvP lobbies. Cause I have no heart right now and I decide to kill people. For entertainment, I've got $100,000.
Grant, you have red watch. You have red watch. Yes, sir. Where's the true shot? He left the game.
Wait a minute.
Bro, use some of my Dad. Dad, use mine. What? Dad, use mine. Here, use mine.
Took my bomb back.
Dad, use mine. Okay, buddy.
Boosting the ammo on this thing.
Hey,
I'm gonna be helping out the public by killing.
no one messes dogs. Are you gonna trade with me now? Run a private code with me.
Guys, this is the original. This is the bro. Look, this is the original ones. This is the original ones.
Open it.
These are the original ones.
What's wrong with my bouncer?
These are the things that you put. These are the things that you sent. I found them when I was up there.
Only one of my revolvers, like, they're all empty.
Come on. Hey, blue dog. Come on. Blue dog, please trade with me. Blue dog.
Why?
Blue dog. I'm blue
Why?
right here. I'm dark blue.
Why?
I'm dark blue. Trade
should
with me.
You finna walk out there, I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna be helping out the public now.
What the you do to my
I'm gonna send it into the atmosphere like the great.
What do you do to him?
What are you doing?
Donkey Kong.
I'm playing Donkey Kong.
Everybody say Donkey Kong. Everybody yell at Donkey Kong.
Donkey Kong.
Chakaliki.
Bro, I have the fastest reaction times ever.
Did you say Donkey Kong? You're dead.
I have absolutely no soul today.
Gonna buy a balloon.
Shoot me.
So we're killing him.
Just a balloon.
Who wants to trade with me? Whoever wants to trade with me.
Whoever wants to trade with you, I'll trade. Come up here. Up by computer. I'm right next to you. Wait. Wait.
Guys, is this rare?
There's a backpack behind you. How can you not know, boy? There's a balloon in your backpack. Oh, an apple. I'll take you.
Eat it.
Don't
Nice.
him.
Don't you remember?
No shit, I ordered it. Luke, you want my balloon?
Wait.
Alright.
Dog! That's mean! I'm gonna kill you guys now!
Give it a shit, little bros.
Yo, come on the pole.
Little bros, I have two of them. Little bros.
Little bros.
Fan died.
We can team up.
Who
wants this umbrella, boys?
Ooh, let's team
I
up.
need it.
If you want this umbrella,
Tons of RPG and stuff, okay?
okay, hold
Do
on.
it quick and do it
If you want this
carefully.
umbrella, then go get the. Stop! You're making it worse, boy.
You know what? We're gonna go
Stop!
Go get it, boys.
Or I beat you up.
Oh, stop!
MREs, boys. Who wants
Give me
Nom nom.
don't kill him.
Stop!
Here you go. You, I could
Who wants to trade with?
Blind guy.
Alright, here we go.
Anybody trade? Somebody to trade with me.
Oh shit. Go this way. Don't miss.
Someone killed me. Bad news. Someone killed me. We need to kill them.
Okay, I'm up to no good. I'm not losing this revolt.
Dude, what's on time?
Go far!
Retirement.
Cooking with Jacob. Cooking with Jacob.
Guys, can someone give me a
Cooking
rocket?
with Jacob.
Like a rocket launcher ammo?
Cooking with Jacob. Cooking with Jacob.
You have a revolver. Give me it. RPG.
This is what happens when you mod.
What the heck?
This is what happens when I mod.
Bad news. They took everything. They killed me.
No.
So it doesn't show it.
You monkey.
My hand just got glitched. I don't even know what's in this. Everybody walk out of safe zone. I'm gonna kill you one by one.
One by one, okay. Bet. I'm gonna smack you one by one. I'm gonna smack you one by one, boy. Then watch. I'm gonna go kaboom him.
Oh, you want me over?
Kaboom. Right, you gotta chill. I just did a kaboom.
Someone gonna keep me over anything you say. I'm definitely how to give a motherfucking heavy weapons down.
Well, can you buy
Does he
me
even
any
have
rocket ammo?
ammo? Here you go, bro. There.
Thank you.
Hey,
We make a lot of money.
someone buy me shotgun
All I really
ammo.
care about is killing.
Can someone buy me shotgun ammo?
No.
Please. The only thing I need is shotgun ammo. You guys are disrespectful.
Can I have that
Wah.
skill?
All I need is short, boy.
I'll take a right shield.
Hey, thank you
Yo,
for whoever
we
gave
need
this
to
to me.
leave.
I'm right here. We have to go somewhere else. Up there. Dude, I need to get rockets. I can't buy any.
That was so cool.
I'm right here.
The cinematic hit.
Shotgun
I can't buy
ammo.
them right now. Give me that back. That was mine. No, rocket.
This is gonna be one of my
No,
first
no.
videos
That was
ever.
mine, actually.
No.
Stop!
Killing
Actually,
kids
that
in
was mine.
what?
Stop!
No.
Every time you get like $100,000 in my series. Red watch!
All I want is ammo.
Red watch! Red watch!
Bro, your aim is so.
It's because I'm shooting so fast.
Who just started?
My lag is so bad right now.
Leave us alone. Don't kill us, please.
Who just started too much? It's just
Green, wait.
Oh shit, my safe zone's disabled.
Do you want something to be shot to a
Go.
green?
Go.
I saw like a red.
You're so dark.
Hello, wait.
Yeah, at this point they're just saving our lives.
Football.
This is where I end the series. This is where I end this video, guys.
It's a football.
Hope you enjoyed. I have no soul right
you a
now. I'm
YouTuber?
gonna stop doing this. I'm tired.
Come to
Well,
Subscribe to Echo VR 45.
subscribe to Lunar GT. And that dude.
Okay, what do you want?
My next
Echo
video is
VR
gonna be
45.
in Animal
I
Company
make
too.
videos too.
Nice.
What? I can't
And I'm
hear
also
you.
gonna be doing a video where I collect as much stuff as I can in an OG pack.
I'll give you some.
Wait.
I'll give you. I'll
Can
donate.
I have the RPG real quick just to end off the
Hey, who
video?
wants some broccoli?
Can I have the RPG, please? Have a filled RPG real quick. I need a filled RPG.
Wait. I'll donate.
I need a filled RPG for this.
Dude, come here.
Okay, I will.
Yo, join the code
pick-
Kid 20 for suitcases.
Pick your
Join the code
choice.
Kid 20 for
Red, pick your choice.
what? 20 for suitcases. Kid 20 for suitcases. Kid 20, I'm telling you.
Can I have the green one, dude?
Like
Can I have the
kid,
green
like
one?
some like a molester, like a kid.
I'm good.
I can't do the green one
Like kid 20.
but because that
Kid
one
20.
like is my.
I'm fine with the shorty. But can I have a fill RPG to end off the video?
Yo, can I have an RPG?
No,
I got
don't
shield.
want RPG.
I got protection. Can't kill me. You can-
I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Oh, I've been married a long time ago. Where do you come from? Where do you go? Where do you come from? Bacalado.